What's up, you guys? So today I was just showing you the Fidget cube, not that much, but I want to just show you different sides. This right here, this the annoying part. You must be remembering when I made that fidget spinner video. Sorry, I have a bunch of light against me. Show it somewhere else. Yeah, but you might see one of my YouTube videos when I did the fidget spinner. But yeah. My favorite part of the fidget cube, I like the fidget spinner better, is this part. I'm about to show you my fidget spinners, alright? Alright. Here are my fidget spinners. This one lights up. Yeah. This one glows in the dark whenever it's dark. A navy green one. Navy blue one. White one. Oh, and there's one more. The ninja kind. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. So, yeah, you guys. So, subscribe and bye-bye.